Are you stuck trying to dispatch a thunk from a saga? It can feel like you're trying to fit a square peg in a round hole, right? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into this tricky situation and finding a way to make it work. I totally get it. You know you shouldn't be dispatching thunks from sagas. But sometimes, the reality of working in a large application means you have to adapt. Many developers face this challenge, especially during migrations. Here's the situation we're tackling today. One user asked how to dispatch a thunk from inside a saga. They mentioned that their application is transitioning from thunks to sagas, but they can't change the thunk itself because it's used in other parts of the app. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, why is this a problem? When you dispatch a thunk, it returns a function that takes dispatch as an argument. However, sagas are designed to handle side effects differently. This can lead to confusion and unexpected behavior, like only seeing the first log message. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a workaround that can help you manage this situation effectively. To dispatch a thunk from a saga, the user first needs to understand that thunks are functions that return another function. This means we need to call the thunk with the dispatch function. Next, the user should modify the saga to use the dispatch function. This can be done by using the call effect to invoke the thunk and pass the dispatch function to it. After that, the user should ensure that the thunk is properly set up to accept the dispatch function. This means the thunk should be structured to receive dispatch as an argument. Finally, the user can test the implementation. They should check the console logs to confirm that both first and second are logged, indicating that the thunk is executed correctly. Fun fact, Redux Saga was inspired by the concept of generator functions in JavaScript, which allow you to pause and resume functions. It's like having a superpower for managing side effects. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach to dispatch a thunk from a saga is to use the call and put effects from Redux Saga. First, you can call the thunk using the call effect, which returns a promise. Then you can dispatch that promise using the put effect. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to use the bind promise to dispatch package. This involves adding resolve and reject parameters to your saga function. By wrapping your dispatch call with this package, you can effectively handle promises within your saga. Here's a pro tip. When migrating from thunks to sagas, consider creating a wrapper function for your thunks. This can help you manage the transition more smoothly and keep your code base clean. And there you have it. You should now be able to dispatch thunks from your sagas without any issues. Remember, adapting your code can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can make it work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.